Hi everyone. The topic we are going to see today is page replacement algorithm. In this page replacement, we have seen there are three page replacement algorithms: first in, first out page replacement algorithm, optimal page replacement algorithm, and least recently used page replacement algorithm. Previously, we have seen a problem under FIFO page replacement and optimal page replacement algorithm. Today, we are going to see the same problem under least recently used page replacement algorithm. The inputs given for this are the sequence of string arrived and the total frames allocated for that page. Here the page frame size is 3 and the string arrived is 701 203 042 303 212 01701. The concept of least recently used page replacement algorithm is that while selecting the victim frame, the data of the frame which arrived latest or recently will not be selected as an victim frame. The data which arrived first in the three datas will be selected as an victim frame. So let's see the example problem under LRU technique. In this, the frame size is 3, so we are having 3 columns and the first data arrived is 7. So 7 is allocated to the frame 1. The next data arriving is 0. 0 is allocated to the frame 2. Next data arriving is 1. 1 is allocated to frame 3. The next data arriving is 2. Since there is no free frames, we are supposed to select victim frame. In this victim selection, as I said, the least recently used data will not be selected as a victim. In this, the data available are 7, 0 and 1. The data which recently arrived is 1, so it is not selected as victim. While moving forward from 1, 0 is the new arrived data, so 0 is also not considered as victim frame, and the only left out data is 7. 7 is selected as victim. In the position of 7, the new arrival data 2 is replaced. Then next data which are arriving is 0. Since 0 is already available on the frame, we are not doing any modification. We are moving to next new arrival string. The new arrival string is 3. While considering 3 is not available in the frame, so we are supposed to select the victim frame. In this, the data is available all 2, 0 and 1. In this, the least recently used data is before 3, 0 has arrived. So 0 is the least recently used data. We are not supposed to select it as victim. Before 0, 2 has arrived. So 2 is also not selected as victim. So before that, only 1 is available. 1 is selected as victim, and in the position of 1, the value of 3 is replaced. Then we are moving to next new arrival string. Next new arrival string is 0. While considering this, 0 is also available in the frame, so we are not doing any modification. We are moving to next new arrival string. Next new arrival string is 4. Since 4 is not available, we are supposed to select the victim frame. The least recently used data in the sequence is 0. Before 0, the prior value is 3. So 0 and 3 are not selected as a victim. In the position of 2, the value of 4 is replaced. Now the data is 4, 0 and 3, which is available in the frame. Next new arrived data is 2. Since 2 is not available, we are supposed to select the victim. In that sequence, before 2, the least recently used data are 4 and 0. So 4 and 0 is not selected as a victim. In the position of 3, 2 is replaced. We are going to next new arrival string. Next new arrival string is 3. Since 3 is also not available, we are supposed to select victim. The previous least recently used data are 2 and 4. So we are not selecting it as victim since only left out frame is 0. 0 is replaced with the value of 3. Then next we are moving for next new arrival string 0. Now 0 is not available in the frame, so we are selecting the victim. The least recently used data are 3 and 2, so the left out frame 4 is selected as victim and the value of 4 is replaced with value 0. Next arrival string is 3. 3 is already available in the frame, so we are not doing any modification. While moving to next new string, 2 is also available in the frame, so we are moving to next new arrival string. Next new arrival string is 1. Since 1 is not available in the frame, we are supposed to select the victim frame. The least recently used data are 2 and 3, so we are not doing any modification. We are moving for 0. In the position of 0, the value of new arrival string 1 is replaced. Now the frame data are 1, 3 and 2. We are going to next new arrival string. The arrival string is 2. Since 2 is already available in the frame, we are not doing any modification. We are moving to next arrival string. The new arrival string is 0. 0 is not available in the frame, so we are supposed to select the victim frame. The least recently used data are 2 and 1, so it is not selected as victim. In the position of 3, 0 is replaced. And we are moving to next arrival string. Next arrival string is 1. It is already available in the frame, so we are not doing any modification. We are moving for next new arrival string. New arrival string is 7. 7 is not available in the page, so we are selecting the victim frame. In that, the least recently used data are 1 and 0, so it is not selected as victim. In the position of 2, the value of 7 is replaced. The value in the pages are 1, 0 and 7. Next, we are moving to new arrival string 0. Since 0 is already available in the frame, we are not doing any modification. The next new arrival string is 1. 1 is also available in the frame, so we are not doing any modification. The total page fault occurrence is 12. When we count this, we are omitting 0 and 4, 3 and 2. While considering this, the total page fault and modification changes done are 12. So, while considering these 3 page replacement algorithms, the LRU has best page fault rate compared to FIFO, because the same problem under FIFO page replacement algorithm, it has 15 page fault, but in LRU it has only 12 page fault. But LRU is having 12 page fault, and the optimal page replacement algorithm is having only 9 page fault. So while comparing to the optimal, LRU has worst case and it has maximum page fault. In this 3 FIFO page replacement, optimal and LRU, the optimal will be having the least page fault. Next, LRU algorithm will be having the least page fault, medium page fault, and FIFO will be having the more number of page fault. These are the 3 page replacement algorithm techniques, and we have seen a same example problem under these 3 page replacement algorithm techniques. Thank you.